Hello, my name is Paul Connell, and welcome to the presentation for my inquiry, what is being done to combat the negative effects of salinity within the Murray-Darling Basin. I'm in Melbourne, but I have family in South Australia. This is the main reason that I chose this topic. I wanted to find out the facts about the issues, rather than forming my opinion based on what my grandmother likes to suggest. How about the salinity in the Murray? The river's stuffed. Now, the Murray-Darling Basin is a region which covers approximately 14% of Australia's mainland and covers parts of New South Wales, Queensland, the ACT and South Australia, and is named after the two main rivers which run through it, the Murray and the Dowling. In recent history, the native landscape has been changed, with land cleared, water upstream being dammed for storage, and large amounts of water diverted for farming. These changes, overuse of the river's resources, and severe drought in the region have resulted in a significant reduction in water levels. This exposes salt previously stored underground, resulting in high salinity levels both in the river itself and throughout the water table. Concerns are often raised about the environmental sustainability of the region due to the rising levels. Two specific areas are greatly affected: the risk to the agricultural production of the region and the potential danger it has to the drinking water in South Australia. To find out more, I initially used the Google search engine, with the first few results being complicated scientific reports which were no help to someone just starting out in their inquiry. I sifted through and found a great website which proved to be useful throughout the inquiry, the Murray-Darling Basin Authority, or MDBA website, which not only explained the causes and effects of salinity, but also provided information outlining strategies to combat the issue. The trustworthy Google Scholar and the Curtin University online library were also searched using keywords and the Boolean search method. During my research, I found out that salinity is a measure of how much dissolved salts are in the water. These levels of salinity increase when native perennial vegetation is removed and the land is used for grazing or is sown with shallow-rooted crops. The amount of rainwater taken up by plants decreases, and so the water table rises, allowing underground salt stores to enter the system. Heavy irrigation can also have the same effect. Severe drought from 2001 through to 2009 ensured that the Murray River had its lowest ever recorded flows, playing a significant part to the increase of the salinity levels within the Murray River. To this day, it is still recovering. The Murray River is the main supplier of drinking water to the state of South Australia, accounting for 40% of the state's water supply, raising up to about 90% in a drought year. Despite the treatment of the water, high salinity levels pose several issues for those living in the region. According to the World Health Organization, a substantial increase in salinity levels in the Murray-Darling Basin could result in the state's drinking water developing a saltier taste. More significantly, increased salinity levels impact the health of those who need to limit their daily salt intake. For example, those with hypertension, also diabetic, and renal dialysis patients. The Murray-Darling Basin is Australia's most important agricultural region as it produces 1/3 of our food supply. High salinity levels result in large areas of agricultural land being lost. This will have adverse economic implications. The Murray-Darling Basin Authority is responsible for managing water resources and making decisions in the interest of the basin as a whole. There are currently 18 salt interception schemes in operation, which reduce the amount of salt entering the Murray River daily by 85%, or 300 tonnes of salt each day. Another strategy of addressing salinity in the region is through improved farming methods. Millions of Australians rely on this high-quality resource, and salinity management is essential to ensure the region's sustainability. This inquiry is most applicable to older primary school students due to the subject matter and research required. The causes and effects of salinity are complex and often are a result of an interplay of factors.